Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at one of our favorite Renko setups that we were trading during the live trading room during the London session this morning. And that is our slow line zero touch continuation out of the cloud. This is a pretty high probability setup trade that we look for every day, and we had all the proper confirmations. You can see that we were in a downtrend, making lower highs, lower lows, and then we started to reverse. We came up here, we actually made a new higher pivot high, and then we retraced back into the cloud and made a higher pivot low. At the same time, all of our moving averages were coming into alignment. Our price was above the cloud, above the smooth 50. The 50 SMA was above the smooth 50, and the 34 EMA was above the 50 SMA. So everything's in alignment. At the same time, we're getting a really nice momentum reset. You can see the pink line is our slow line on MQ momentum, and it's coming down here near the zero line. The zero line on MQ momentum is the line that the histograms move above and below, and we like to get a nice reset right there. We get near the zero line. That means we have room for momentum to accelerate our trade in the direction we want to go. We don't want to be looking to enter a trade when momentum is already up here in the overbought territory, because we know that momentum is like price and it's going to want to revert to the mean. And so we know it's not as likely that a move that starts with momentum way up in here is going to accelerate for a nice move to continue in that direction. We want to see the momentum reset. And that's exactly what we were getting right here. We were getting the slow line zero touch. It was painting our cyan arrow off of our MQMZT indicator, which is indicating that we're getting a slow line zero touch right here. And then we're breaking out of the cloud. And this ended up being a really, really nice move. We ended up entering right on the wick bar out of the cloud, and that was good for 4 targets to the upside, or $400 per contract. And what really helped to increase the probability of this trade is we not only had our Renko confirmation all in order, we were also getting a 30-minute confirmation. Our 30-minute chart was happening right here. We had set up a bull flag on our 30-minute chart prior to this setup. So we knew that if we broke above 1676.60 that we were going to trigger a 30-minute bull flag. Well, while our Renko setup was happening, that was happening on this bar right here. And we ended up actually triggering this bull flag, and you see we got this nice push up off of the triggered 30-minute bull flag. And that was occurring right in here. So as our trade was initiating, our entry was actually right here at 1467.10. We knew that we had our bull flag triggering on the 30-minute chart as well. So we not only had the power of our Renko confirmation behind our trade, but we also had the additional support of a 30-minute trigger helping our trade. So we had lots of really good confirmation behind our really high probability setup, and we got a nice move out of it. And these are the things that we look for every day when we're trading.